Welcome to Rainbow Coloring Channel.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw and color the funniest little alien, Stitch, from Disney's Lilo and Stitch. Let's get started. First, draw the round outline of Stitch's face, nice and smooth, with puffy cheeks. Boing! Next, draw his right ear. Make it big and floppy. Whoosh! Then, draw his left ear, the same size. Flip-flop! Draw the left eye first, nice and big. Don't forget all the inner details, pupil, highlight, and sparkle dots. Ding ding! Then, draw the right eye with the same details. Add Stitch's big oval nose in the middle. Boop! Draw the little curve above his mouth. Add his eyebrows above the eyes. Make them look cheeky. Finally, draw the cute cheeks. Squish, squish. Draw his left leg with all the toes and claws. Scratch, scratch! Then, draw his left arm starting from the nails and going up. Next, draw his right leg with the details. Stomp! Finally, draw his right arm again, starting at the nails. Awesome! The outline of Stitch is finished! Now comes the fun part. Let's bring Stitch to life with colors. Color the eyes, eyebrows, and inside of the nose black, but leave the highlight circles white so they sparkle. Fill in the whole body or around the eyes with medium blue. This is Stitch's main color. Use pink inside both ears, nice and soft. Boop, boop. Add pink to his cute little cheeks too. Add sky blue details inside the eyes for extra shine. Also, use sky blue for the lighter belly area. Use navy blue for the tip of his nose, his nails, and the paw pads. Tap, tap, tap. If you draw a tongue inside the mouth, color it red or dark pink. And there you have it, your very own Stitch, fully drawn and colored. Doesn't he look amazing? If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials, and let me know in the comments which character I should draw next.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe.